All right, welcome back. We're Mount Holyoke College Distance and Middle Distance Strength, Phase 2, Day 2. We're going to start off with 1A, which is Spider-Man with elbow drop. Good hip mobility drill. We're going to start in a push-up position. We're going to bring one foot all the way up to the hand on the outside of the hand. We're going to drop the elbow right behind the heel, one Mississippi, and we're going to switch. Elbow drop. One Mississippi, want our elbow drops, we want our hips to drop too, one Mississippi, and we're going to keep alternating there, I think, 8 times, yep. From there, we're going to go shoeless, taking our shoes off, shoeless over back skaters. So we want to go from one side to the other, quick touch, coming back, so we're starting and finishing in the same position right here, okay? So we're going to go quick touch and right back. Sticking that landing here, getting yourself set, then ready to go again. All right, and so we're going to do 8 of those over and back, starting from the left and finishing from the left, and 8 starting from the right, finishing on the right. We actually keep our shoes off as we move into 2A, which is eccentric step-ups. So here we're starting up nice and tall. We care a lot about tracking the hip, the knee, and the ankle, kind of all in the same line, really focused on everything moving in the same direction as the toes. So we're going really nice and slow on the way down, keeping everything focused on the movement there. Coming back up, really slow and controlled. Here, everything's in line. One more time. About 5-second descent. You saw a little bit of wobbling. You want to minimize that as much as possible. You really want to minimize having the knee coming in and the hip going out. We want everything in line as much as possible. Shoes are back on after that. We're going to do some side step kettlebell swings. We have 8 per side. If you're in a kind of a cramped space, I'll show you how we can just keep going back and forth. So essentially you have 16 kettlebell swings going on here. All right, so we're gonna start things off. Boom and step, boom, step to the other side. Just going to shoulder height, driving from the hips, taking that step, okay? All about driving the hips, hinging and pushing through the hips. All right, now we move on to 3A, which is tall kneeling alternate pull downs. Here's one where we can use a cable machine like this, or we can use 2 bands and put the bands up like this way. Tall kneeling, always focused on good isometric glute hold.